Hello, so this is a DSC bat that we have in our stock from the latest lot, blue 200. Good number of grains and a fairly thick edge bat around 40 mm. Good sweet spot, fullish profile. Relative fullish profile means it's a full profile bat. Very minimal concaving on the back, as you see. Very prominent spine. An attractive sticker. It's a 13,400 rupee bat, so we'll be able to give this to you for 10,000 rupee. So now if you see the profile, clean wood, it's a round handle bat. Now if we check the ping, amazing sound, appropriately pressed.